Welcome to our tutorial about using audio objects. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to play audio using an audio object. Let's begin by creating two buttons for our controls. The first button will be our play control. We'll change the text property to play. And the second button will be our stop control. We change the text property to stop. Okay, let's double-click play and type some code. mycomputer.audio.play. Let's open the parenthesis and the quotation, and then type the path where the audio file is located. In our case, it's on the C drive in the Windows folder, /media/chimes.wave. This is a path on the default Windows operating system. Here's the file right here. Now let's write some code for button 2. This will stop the audio from playing. My computer, period, audio, period, stop, and then open and close the parentheses. I see a spelling mistake to fix. Let's do that. And we'll run our program now. Play, and there's our chime. Now in this case, the stop button is unnecessary because the duration of the chime is pretty short. This would be more useful if the duration of the sound was longer. If we want the audio to play as a loop, we can type a second argument here. Audio play mode.background loop. And let's run our program again. Now the audio plays in a loop, and I can press stop, and then you see how the audio stops playing. Let's talk a little bit now about my.computer. Let's comment out these lines. My.computer. The My.computer's family of objects lets us access the computer's resources, such as the clock, file system, etc. As our example here, let's use info OS full name. That'll give us the full name of the operating system. text1.text equals. Okay, let's go to our form and create a text box. We drag in the control. We'll call it text txt1. And now we can run our program. Okay, we do need to make our text box a little bit bigger so that the full text of the operating system will fit in it. Let's drag it out a bit and run our program again. Now when we click play, the text box displays which operating system I'm using. This family of objects was introduced in Visual Basic 2005, and they're pretty fast and handy for use. This concludes our tutorial about using audio objects.